Hello and welcome. In this video I show you how to update and connect your DJI RC Pro controller with your DJI Mini 3 Pro. We will update the RC Pro first. Please make sure that the batteries are fully charged and start up the controller. Hold down the menu and activate Wi-Fi. Pull up the menu again and click on Profile and Settings. Just click on Firmware Update and confirm the download and later the installation. It takes about 7 minutes and 30 seconds for the update. Now we can update the DJI Mini 3 Pro and its controller. Start up the DJI Mini controller and your Mini 3 Pro. Push the back button in the upper left display corner to access the home screen. Then click on Profile, Settings and check for firmware updates. Just confirm the update and about 6 minutes later the new firmware is installed. The controller and Mini 3 Pro have the newest update now. Now we can connect the RC Pro controller with the Mini 3 Pro. Start up the controller. Click on Connection Guide and choose the Mini 3 Pro. Push and hold the power button until the LEDs move and it beeps to start pairing mode. Now you can click on pairing and the drone will connect to the controller. That's it. I hope this video helped you. I would appreciate a like and or subscribe. Have a nice day.